of videos about Linux, and I want to use these videos to show you why you want to use a command line for some stuff. When I started out with Linux system administration, everyone told me to learn to use the command line, even when I started with programming, and I never understood why would someone want to use the command line. So today I'm going to show you curl, which is a really cool tool. You can basically say it's a command line browser, and I'm going to use that to show you how to debug different issues with web servers, but also how to find the long version of a short link. So let me show you a quick. Here's a link on Twitter. If we open it up in a new tab, it goes to a t.co link, and then it redirects to a different site. This is just a random Twitter, by the way. So any link that's posted on Twitter will always go to a t.co link first, and that's Twitter's URL shortening service. Like, here's another example. Here we go. So let's take that link, and we go curl dash capital letter I, and then that, and it will show you the response headers. We can take away this argument, or we can run it like this in quotes, either single or double quotes, and see what the response headers are. So here we got the response headers. This is interesting. There's no location. Oh, here's the location. So that's the location that it redirects to. That's pretty interesting. So let's take this location. We open it up in our browser, and we see what it leads to. You'll see my internet is slow. Let's clear the screen. We can also open this up with curl and see, what is the maybe what's the web server, what's running on this, or what does the web server say it's running on. So we can see we get a HTTP 301, which means it's a redirect. So this redirects then to another site or another page on the site. Redirects to this page, and we can see that this is Apache server running on Ubuntu, and it is probably running on WordPress. Here we go. So let's just, for interest's sake, also check this one out. Oops, let me just get that again while we wait for that. Over here we go. Here's the page that it redirected to. Like I said, this is just a random Twitter. Let's see what happens if we go to this page. Okay. So we get 200 OK. So we get the actual page. So yeah, this is just a cool shortcut. If you go on a website, for example, tinyurl.com, you can also use that to shorten links. So let's take this link and we shorten it, and then I'll show you the long version of the link. Here we go. So tinyurl, I think, changed how they work recently. It first takes you to the preview page before it takes you to the actual page. Okay, it seems like it's redirecting. So let's see what happens if we try and curl this. The resolution's a bit messed up. So dash I. Okay, where are the location headers? Here's the location header. So this is what it redirects to. So yeah, that's the first command. That is curl. Must be some alerts going off. My Slack is going on like that. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.